Hello, students. Hope you all are doing well. You want to study in the UK and it's going to be all free, fully funded. I'm not joking, trust me. It's a lot to know and understand. And I will go through one of the scholarship which is given by the UK, and that's called Chevening Scholarship. This is one of the kind of a scholarship, but in this video, I'll talk about this scholarship. Chevening Scholarship, like coming years, is a fully funded master's scholarship for international students. Chevening Scholarship covers university tuition fees, monthly living allowance, economy class ticket airfare to the UK, and additional grants and allowances to cover essential expenditure. So I'm sure you are excited, but please watch the video till end to know more details. Chevening provides for future leaders and influencers from around the globe a distinctive chance to grow professionally and academically, network widely, experience UK culture, and create enduring beneficial interaction with the UK. Chevening is the international award system of the UK government that aims to develop worldwide leaders. Please emphasize or listen to this again. UK government that aims to develop worldwide leaders. There will be around 1,500 scholarship being provided worldwide, funded by the Foreign and Commonwealth Office (FCO) and partner organization Chevening. Provides two kind of awards: Chevening Scholarship, Chevening Fellowship, with the recipient personally chosen throughout the globe by British embassies and high commissions. Chevening Scholarship summary: level of study, masters, institutions, UK universities. Course offered: full-time taught master's degree program in any subject. Program period depends on the selected program, but not more than 1 year. Postgraduate course, because most of the masters or postgraduate in the UK is 1 year. And if you're going with placement, then it's going to be 18 months. Chevening Scholarship deadline, deadline is the first week of November. So anybody who's applying for the next year, first week of November is the deadline. So please pull up your socks and prepare yourself, understand and know. And if you have any doubt, you can drop a message or contact me. Chevening Scholarship covers university tuition fees, monthly stipend, travel costs to and from the UK, an arrival allowance, a homeward departure allowance, the cost of one visa application, a travel grant to attend Chevening events in the UK. So eligible criteria for the Chevening Scholarship. To be eligible for Chevening scholarships, applicant must meet the following criteria: required language English. Eligible countries, the scholarship are targeted to the citizen of Chevening eligible citizens countries, which is like we'll share the link if possible, and you can find out whether your country is eligible. Return to your country of citizenship for a minimum of 2 years after your scholarship has ended. So you have to return back to your country of citizenship once you complete the course. Have completed all components of an undergraduate degree that will enable you to gain entry into a postgraduate program at a UK university. By the time you submit your application, this is typically equivalent to an upper second class 2-1 honors degree in the UK, but may be different depending on your course and university choice. Have at least 2 years equivalent 2,800 hours of work experience. Please keep this in mind. It's not for students who are only doing academics. It's for the students who are different, and you need to know and to find out more information. Please do connect with us and we'll help you and guide you. Apply to 3 different eligible UK courses and have received an unconditional offer letter from one of these choice by July. You are not eligible of Chevening scholarship. Please listen to this. You are not eligible for Chevening scholarship if you hold British or dual British citizenship, hold a refugee status, or and other things which I don't think are very important to know. But how to apply is another important thing. How to apply: choose your country from the link given, then choose Chevening Scholarship, create an account, fill your profile with your personal information, save the data, and validate your profile. Then start your application, complete the quiz to assure your eligibility for the scholarship, fill the application form with the required data, and prepare the following documents: complete education documents, English language qualification. I prefer, whether it's not part of condition or not, IELTS UKVI is preferred academic. Conditional offer letter for proposed course of study up to 3, unconditional offer letter for proposed courses up to 3. You must upload at least one unconditional offer letter by July. References: if you are invited to interview, you will be invited to upload 2 references, passport and ID documents. Submit the application. All this information is quite to understand and quite to know and understand. So if you are confused and you think you need help to understand and apply, or at least find out whether you are eligible to apply for UK fully funded scholarship. This is one of the scholarship. There are different scholarship in the UK, and this is one of them, the one I'm talking about, Chevening Scholarship. Then you have Rhodes Scholarship, which is for 2 years program. Then you have Gates Cambridge Scholarship program for 4 years, and you have Clarendon Scholarship, University of Oxford program, 1 to 2 years, and Commonwealth Scholarship, which is program from 1 to 3 years. So there's a lot to you understand and learn. And if, as I said to you, if you're not confused, if you need to know more details, please connect with us, and please share this video with your friends and family so that they will be aware of fully funded scholarship. Is for those students who are deserving, who is really good in academic, and also they have other activities which they've been doing while studying. That's something we will let them know. So please share this video with your friends and family. Take care of yourself.